Fellow Kenyans, Steve Mbogo hapa. Now mine goes to the President. Mr. President, many of us spoke to you quite a number of times, and we warned you against your engagement with the globalists, specifically the globalist organizations such as the World Bank, the IMF, and the World Economic Forum. Many times, I, as Steve Mbogo, have mentioned to you clearly that these globalists will use you, misuse you, and abuse you. Today, as we speak, Mr. President, I'm glad you've started seeing what I foresaw months ago. From your recent sentiments that you lamented, you are very clear, and you mentioned that there are foreign powers that are planning to remove you from power. Mr. President, I repeat and I will say that the whites, or rather the globalists, the Western countries and America, are people who are not fond of a leader who becomes unpopular to the masses. Today, they had categorized you as one of their best friends, to the fact that they mentioned you as a non-member NATO ally. I want to remind you, Mr. President, that the NATO meeting 2024 summit was just concluded yesterday in Washington, D.C. All the 32 countries plus their non-member NATO allies and friends were in attendance. But I'm very sure you're not invited, simply because they are planning to do away with you. It is time you wake up and understand that the interests of Kenyans should come first rather than the interests of the globalists who are turning against you right now. Today, when you look at the global media, a majority of all these media houses are tarnishing Kenya's name and branding you as a leader who is very unpopular to his people, or rather the nation. Mr. President, it is now time for you to understand that the interests of Kenyans must and should come first before the interests of the West. Many a times I have mentioned, and I have said it again and again, that the globalists use you and fixed you and put you in a position whereby they were very clear today in the entire global media. IMF is clearly saying they had predicted chaos in Kenya, simply because they forced you to implement and forced your members of parliament to implement, or rather to pass, the Finance Bill 2024, which was drafted by them, knowing very well that Kenyans will revolt. It is time you wake up, Mr. President, and the earlier, the better.